Start by making a tight small O shape with your lips. Drop your jaw to stretch your mouth into a long O shape. Bring your lips back together into the small O. Stretch your lips wide into a big bright smile. Keep alternating this flow, small O, long O, smile and repeat. It lifts and tone. Engaging this specific movement acts like a workout of your face. It naturally lifting and firming the cheek muscles. Start by keeping your lips gently but firmly sealed. Place your index and middle fingers just in front of your ears. Resting your ring fingers gently right over your smile lines. Now smile wide against the light resistance of your fingers and hold this position for a few seconds and release the smile and relax your face and repeat the sequence. Smiling against the gentle resistance of your fingers builds strength in the cheek muscle. Start by placing your fingers at the both corners of your mouth. Form a scissor shape with your fingers. Place your index finger on the outer edge of your cheek muscle and rest of your middle finger right on your smile lines. Firmly but gently glide both fingers upward along your cheeks until you reach the outer corners of your eyes. From the eye corner, let your middle finger continue the movement, smoothly gliding all the way up to your temples. It sculpts the cheeks, smooth smile lines. Press your tongue flat against the roof of your mouth and keep it anchored there. Place the heels of your palms gently on the sides of your temples, providing a slight supportive upward lift while keeping your tongue pressed up. Drop your jaw to make a wide A shape with your mouth and transition your lips forward into a defined O shape. Continue alternating between the A and O shapes. Form a scissor shape with the index and middle fingers of one hand. Place these scissor fingers firmly over your masseter muscle, dash the thick jaw muscle right in front of your ear to anchor the skin. Take the index and middle finger of another hand, place them right between the scissors. Pressing gently, massage the muscle using smooth downward motion. Massage slowly, move downward. This massage melts jaw tension. Form a soft fist. Use the flat part of your knuckles. Place your knuckle directly under your cheekbone, starting right next to the side of your nose. Pressing firmly, lifting slightly upward under the bone and lift your knuckle off the skin. Move them step outward along the cheekbone. Press and hold again. Remember, do not drag or glide the skin. Continue this press and hold step. Anchor your hands by resting your fingers lightly on your forehead, pointing upward. Place both thumbs directly under one of your cheekbones, starting near the center of your face by your nose. Push slightly upward under the bone with one thumb, then immediately follow with an upward push from the another thumb and continue this alternating one by one thumb lifting motion and then glide. Glide your both thumb under the cheekbone toward the ear. Form a soft fist with both hands. Place your knuckle at the base of your neck. Glide your fist smoothly and firmly upward along your neck, stopping right at the corners of your mouth. Bring your fist back down to the base of your neck. This time glide upward, stop just under your cheekbone muscles. Return to the base of your neck and glide up and stop right on your masseter muscle and repeat this massage a few times. And this massage helps to define the jawline, boosts blood circulation, lymphatic drainage, lifts the mid-face area. Form a soft fist. Start at the corners of your mouth. Glide your knuckles smoothly up and out toward your ears. Next, bring your knuckle to the side of your nose. Glide outward along your cheekbones, sweeping all the way out to your ears. Then, place your knuckle gently under the eye bone and glide outward, sweeping up toward your temple. Repeat this entire process a few times. Then, massage on temple. Massage in a circular motion. Then, move back of your ear, then massage in a circular motion in back of your ear. It boosts blood flow, releases deep tension and also lymphatic drainage. Grab a clean apple, and if it's slightly chilled from the fridge, and then better, and drop your jaw slightly into relaxed open position to stretch the cheek muscle. Press and apply gentle pressure against your masseter muscle. Roll it in a small soothing circle. Move the apple upward and gently roll it over your temple area to release upper face tension. Continue this relaxing massage for a few minutes and then switch and repeat on the other side. Now massage on masseter muscle in a deep circular motion. Comforting pressure that easily melts away stubborn knots and tension in the jawline. Rolling the apple over the temple targets pressure point that relieve stress. Also soothe tension, headaches. Form a scissor or V shape with the index and middle finger of both hands. Frame your eye by placing two fingers at the inner corner and two fingers at the outer corner of your eye. Pressing firmly but gently glide both fingers straight up, lifting right over your eyebrow and across your forehead. Continue this smooth upward sweep all the way to your hairline. Repeat this gliding motion a few times to smooth out the eye area and repeat both sides. It lifts heavy eyebrows. Bring your thumb and index finger together to form a gentle pincer shape. Lightly pinch the very inner corner of your eyebrow right above the bridge of your nose. Maintaining that gentle pinch, slowly and smoothly glide your fingers outward along the natural arc of your eyebrow. Release at the outer tail of the brow. Bring your fingers back to the center. Repeat this sweeping motion a few times. This slow, deliberate pressure along the brow is incredibly effective for melting away tension, headaches, eye strain from staring at screens all day. Create a scissor shape using your index and middle finger. Turn your hand horizontally. Place the scissor finger flat against your forehead, resting one finger just above your eyebrow and the other higher up toward your hairline. Applying firm pressure. Move your finger in a continuous side-to-side friction. Slowly walk your way across the entire width of your forehead, ensuring you massage from temple to temple. Repeat this side-to-side massage for a few moments. It smooths horizontal forehead lines, melts stress. Place the flat pads of your fingers from both hands across the center of your forehead, applying firm but gentle pressure. Massage the area using continuous up and down and side-to-side motion. Keep alternating between this up and down and side-to-side friction motion for a few seconds to relax the entire forehead. Make a horizontal scissor shape with your index and middle fingers. Place the scissor fingers flat on your forehead to stretch and anchor the skin firmly in place. With your other hand, bend your index finger to form a hook using the flat side of the knuckle. Place the knuckle between your scissor finger. Massage in a firm vertical up and down. The deep vertical friction acts like an eraser across horizontal forehead creases, breaking up the muscle tension pattern that cause permanent lines. It relieves tension, headaches.